Hi, second graders. Today we're going to be comparing and contrasting in writing. So if you look up at the top, there are two boxes. These boxes have the words that we are going to try to use in our writing today. On this side are words that we would use if we're comparing two things that are the same. This box has words that we will use when we're comparing how things are different. Okay, so I'm going to go to my Venn diagram. Notice that my Venn diagram is totally filled out for the two books that I read, Little Red Riding Hood and Ninja Red Riding Hood. I'm going to pick two things to compare that are similar, and then I'm going to pick something that I know is different. So I'm going to look at the characters, the setting, and then I'm going to go to the solution because I can look right away that there are two different solutions in these two books. So I'm going to start with my characters. So in both books, there is a grandma, Little Red Riding Hood, and the wolf. However, in Little Red Riding Hood, there is also a woodcutter. So if I go back to my Venn diagram, you can see that's the difference in both of my books. They have the same characters until we get to that woodcutter. Okay, now I'm going to go to the setting. I'm going to look at another word. Okay, let's use in common this time. The setting, both books have the setting in common. They both take place in the woods and at Grandma's house. Okay, so now I've compared two things. I've used the words both and in common, and then I've contrasted how it's different and used the word however. Okay, now let's look at this solution. So in Little Red Riding Hood, the solution was that the woodcutter came and saved them. In Ninja Red Riding Hood, Ninja Red Riding Hood fought the wolf and made him agree to give up red meat. So those are two very different endings to our books. So I'm going to go back to my writing. I'm going to look. So the solution of Little Red Riding Hood was different from the solution in Ninja Red. Okay, now I'm going to tell the solutions. The solution of Little Red Riding Hood was that the woodcutter came to save them. And the solution of Ninja Red Riding Hood was she convinced the wolf not to eat red meat. Okay, now I'm going to go through and I'm going to just cross out all of the words that I used so that it's easy to see. So we used the word both. We used the word in common. We used the word different from, however. So notice I did not use all of the words, but that is okay because I can clearly see that the words I did use tell me what they are the same and how they are different. Okay, so now it's your turn to go ahead and go do this on Seesaw. you will find the same sheet on Seesaw and you will fill it out just like I did by inserting a text box and typing into it. Okay, you should already have your Venn diagram done. You can pick the same two things I chose to compare, the characters and the setting, or you can choose different things. If you are wanting a challenge, try to do 3 things today.